Welcome once again. Let's talk about Solana Classic USTC. Now, the proposal to burn 640 million coins of USTC coins on, and I believe that this burning will definitely help this coin. I mean, 640 million coins of Solana Classic USTC. Now, the plan is to bring back USTC as a normal coin, as a stable coin. I mean, USTC, one coin of USTC equals to $1. But at the time of recording this coin has been trading for the past few weeks at the price of 1 cent and 2 cents. But the plan is to push the coin to reach $1. Yes, it's a stable coin. Definitely, it will not go beyond $1. And $1 is the major target. That means even if you are investing $100 right now on USDC, you might end up getting about 100 or 200 coins of USDC coins. That means if it gets to $100, your $1 investment will be worth about $100 or $200. Okay, but if you invest $10, you might be making about $1,000, and if you invest $100, you might be earning about $10,000 with USDC. That is it. That is if the coin hits $1. Now, the plan to burn more coins, there's a plan to destroy more coins of USDC. There's a plan to burn at least destroy billions. Now, the proposal to start this project, the proposal to start with the burning of 640 million coins of USDC is currently on. And I believe if they can achieve this burning of over 640 million, it will really help to push the price of USDC. That's what I believe. So let's just see, let's watch and see if USDC will be able at least to reach 10 cents. Imagine the coin just reached 10 cents. I mean, let's assume you invested $10 on this coin and it's trading at 1 cent. $1 definitely means 100 coins, and $10 is about 1,000 coins. That means if you invest $10, you might be earning about $100 if the coin hits 10 cents at the time of recording this. That is amazing to see. So imagine the coin at 50 cents, you're already earning $500. So I still believe they can do everything possible to get the coin back again. But with a burning of 640 million is going to be a better way to start this project. 640 million bonds is going to be one of the best way to push USDC coin to really grow higher. And I believe that it can be achieved. I believe that yes, the price of USDC can really hit over 50 cents. And I believe that yes, we can achieve this. But before that, let's keep on supporting and let's hope to see USDC at the very much top. Once again, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.